The Dhandho Investor, The Low-Risk Value Method to High Returns by Mohnish Pabrai is a book that distills the investment philosophy and principles of successful Indian-American investor Mohnish Pabrai. The book is based on the investment approach of the renowned Indian investor, Mr. Pabrai, who has achieved significant success by emulating the principles of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. The title Dhandho is derived from the Gujarati word for business and represents the essence of the book's teachings, a methodical and value-focused approach to investing. Pabrai's investment philosophy is built on the following key principles. 1. Value investing. Pabrai follows the value investing approach, which involves identifying stocks that are trading at a significant discount to their intrinsic value. He emphasizes buying these stocks when they are undervalued and holding them for the long term. 2. Focus on moats. Like Warren Buffett, Pabrai believes in investing in companies with a strong economic moat. A moat is a competitive advantage that allows a company to maintain its profitability over time. Companies with durable competitive advantages are more likely to provide consistent returns. 3. Cloning successful investors. Pabrai is a proponent of cloning the investment strategies of successful investors like Warren Buffett. He recommends studying the investment decisions and principles of these successful investors and incorporating them into one's own strategy. 4. Margin of safety. Pabrai stresses the importance of a margin of safety, which means buying stocks at a price significantly below their intrinsic value to protect against potential downside risk. This conservative approach reduces the chances of permanent capital loss. 5. Concentration over diversification. Pabrai advocates for a concentrated portfolio of high-conviction stocks rather than spreading investments too thin. By focusing on a smaller number of investments, investors can deeply understand the businesses they own and make more informed decisions. 6. Long-term perspective. Pabrai is a long-term investor who believes in holding stocks for years, if not decades. He emphasizes the benefits of compounding wealth over time and avoiding frequent trading. 7. Behavioral psychology. The book also touches on the importance of understanding behavioral psychology in investing. Pabrai discusses common psychological biases that can lead to poor investment decisions and provides strategies to overcome them. Throughout the book, Pabrai uses real-world examples and case studies to illustrate his principles. He shares insights from his own investment journey and explains how he applies these principles to select stocks and construct his portfolio. One of the standout features of the Dhandho Investor is the discussion of Pabrai's investment checklist, which is a step-by-step guide to evaluating potential investment opportunities. This checklist helps investors systematically analyze stocks and determine whether they meet the criteria for a sound investment. In summary, The Dhandho Investor by Mohnish Pabrai is a valuable resource for investors seeking to adopt a disciplined and value-driven approach to investing. The book offers practical insights into the world of value investing, drawing from the wisdom of successful investors like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. Pabrai's emphasis on simplicity, patience, and a margin of safety makes this book a valuable addition to any investor's library.